Good morning. We just flew in from Semporna yesterday and now we are currently in Kinabalu. Yeah, we were here before, I get it, but we missed out on Kinabalu Park and you guys voted in the community tab that we should go back and do it. So we did. We were also in the same Airbnb we were in Kinabalu last time we were here. His name is Young and he is so nice. He got us 2 free big bags of the local coffee here. And today we're doing something that we never thought we would have. Anna's gonna let us know what that is.
Somebody reached out to us on Instagram. He's a YouTube subscriber and offered to take us to the park. His name's Edward. We're really excited to meet him. He's bringing a friend, and sorry mom and dad for meeting up with strangers and getting into a stranger's car. I think the one thing Ian failed to tell you is that it's 5:30 in the morning.
I'm pretty sure Kinabalu Park's about an hour and a half to 2 hours away from here, so we're gonna take a little bit of a drive. Let's go meet Edward. Look at that butt.
I miss you. I'll see you tonight. No worries. I FaceTimed my dog the other day and told him I've been playing with cats. He was not happy. Yeah, I know. You think I'm crazy because you think my dog can't hear me, but he can.
What's up? How are you? We'll give you a hug. What's up? Nice to meet you. Good morning.
Edward?
Yes.
Edward?
Anna,
Okay.
Ian?
Yes, and Ian.
Yeah, it's exciting.
Yeah, no, we're gonna have fun today. Let's do it.
All right, let's go.
All right. What are these, Young?
This is Rising Pan.
Oh, thank you.
So we were talking to Edward and he was telling us how he found us on YouTube. He actually has been studying for 4 years over in KL and his hometown is Kinabalu. So he came back to visit and was looking for food suggestions and found our video about the night market in Kinabalu. So if you haven't seen that video, press it right there. There's the mosque we did. Beautiful during sunrise.
So we are at Tempori town, and we're gonna have our breakfast, which is the tempori noodles.
We're gonna try some fried noodles because I guess that's the staple here for breakfast. Very weird because back in America we never have noodles for breakfast, but here it's the norm.
So we've often noticed here that people like share meals. Ian and I always just get our own, but we've always wanted to try that. So we actually got one of everything. Pork rib, pork blood, tofu, what's that one?
Pork skin.
Pork skin. And then these are fish sticks.
For breakfast. And then we're also getting fried noodles made for us right now.
Okay, first I'm gonna try the pork blood and then I'm gonna try the pork skin. I can't get it. Here, I'm gonna get a spoon. I mean, that's good. That's really good.
A bit iron flavor.
Yeah.
Iron taste. It's tofu but with like the iron taste.
Is it your favorite too?
Not really.
Yeah. That's pork skin.
It's good. It's just very like, it's like a chewy texture. I don't know, it's hard to pick. Out of these two, I think I like the pork skin better. It's just the thought of the blood is really in my head. The fried noodles just came out and Edward's gonna tell us what's going on here.
This one is the normal tempori meat.
Okay.
It's the normal that how we normally ate it. This one we noticed that there's like a lot of gravies, right? So this one is actually cooked with rice wine. The gravy is from rice wine, so like there's a bit alcohol in it.
Anna's digging in. I'm gonna act like I know what I'm saying right now, but tempalori, fried noodle with wine, right?
Rice wine.
Okay, this is amazing. It smells really good. Anna, how's your normal one?
Really good.
Really good?
Mm-hmm.
Noodles for breakfast. So glad we stopped and now we are headed an hour and a half to Kinabalu Park. We just got the first view of the mountain and wow.
I can't get over it. It's so big.
It is very, very big.
Oh my gosh. What the?
That is
That
so
is the
pretty.
biggest thing I've ever seen in my life.
We just stopped over here to get a better view of the mountain. Let's go check it out. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is a sweet view. Look at this. How cute you are, wagging tail. Big balls too. Anna, how is it?
So good.
And then what's this? What's the name of this again?
Rawa?
Rawa?
Yeah.
It's really good. It's like apple kind of. Now we're headed past Kundasang, the town, and then we're headed to the hot springs. So another like 45-minute drive. Alright, so Edward and Siyoung are saying this is quite rare for the mountain to be this clear. I think Anna just showed you. That is an insane view. Wow. Siyoung is gonna get us something. You're too nice, Siyoung. Look at all this fresh vegetables. All lining up and down this whole street. Edward just told us that this is where they get the vegetables in KK. What did you get us?
Oh my gosh.
More goodies.
Oh my gosh, there's so many. Sweet potato.
Sweet potato, first taste test.
Very good.
Very good?
I'm excited to try the leaf.
Yeah, I'm excited too. Whoever thought you would fry a leaf?
This is the weirdest shit ever. I get a lot.
I look a lot.
Alright, leaf time. It's a legit fried leaf. Very good. Mmm.
What does it taste like?
Tastes like a fried grape leaf. This is cheesy sweet potato chips. They're so good. These are the best chips I've ever had in Southeast Asia. Seriously.
What?
They don't
Really?
taste like fake or anything. Right now we are outside the hot springs and we are gonna go in, just check them out. Ian's paying.
Wow. That is such a cool thing. Anna, what was your expectations when you thought about the hot
I
springs?
thought they were natural hot springs, like in Colorado, where it's just like little pools in the earth that are like natural hot tubs. But it's man-made. But that's okay.
But it's still natural water. So is this one? This is one? That's hilarious. Test the water, test the water.
very hot.
Very hot.
Yeah.
Very hot. This feels like a road trip back in America. Just kind of adventuring, never really knowing what you're getting yourself into. Walking to a waterfall right now. The crew back there. A little hike up. Need some workout after all the food we're gonna eat today. Very pretty. I think this is what Anna was thinking when she thought about hot springs.
Yeah. If it were hot.
If it were hot, but I think it's really cold, right, Edward?
Yeah, it's really cool.
All right, so actually in this waterfall, the fish eat your feet. Check this out. Oh, they're going after my scab from scuba diving.
Heels! There's the heels! I was just telling Edward and Siyoung about Ian's special talents. We've never showed you guys, so he's gonna show y'all right now.
All right, we're gonna start with my first and probably my best one yet, all right? We're gonna start slow, but we're gonna progressively get faster. Keep up with me. The cupping, of course. Then we got that one-handed clap. We got a lot. I get bored a lot.
Did you enjoy that?
It's fun. The park.
We are going to visit the cows of Kunasan.
Very exciting. Maybe get some chocolate milk. This is fast food at its finest. He just pulled up to this chicken wing spot and we're about to try it. Edward said it's really, really good. They look so good.
This here is chicken ass. The butt of a chicken.
Is that bone? Cartilage?
Yeah. There's a lot of shit.
Pretty interesting. It's kind of weird I'm eating a chicken's ass right now. Probably farted a lot.
Smells like cow shit.
Cows, they're so pretty.
Hi.
We just got to Desert Dairy Farm and Edward's telling us that this is the clearest he's ever seen it. Oh my gosh. Right now we're in line for fresh milk and there's desserts, there's gelato, and there's cheese. Which one are we gonna have?
Gelato.
Gelato.
I've never eaten this much in my entire life. We've had like 10 meals before noon.
Like Anna said, we've had a lot of food before noon today and I think that's the Malaysian way to do it. We're here with locals, you gotta do what they do. We both want the Cocoa Crunch route. Like cereal on top of it?
Huh?
It's like a chocolate cereal. It's really good. You got some local viewers for the other side.
Yeah.
They watched some of our videos. And which one did you guys watch? Sepilok?
Yeah.
Those were some of our favorites.
Have a nice trip.
Thank you so much. It
Welcome
was
to
nice to
Sabah.
meet everyone. Thank you for coming up to us.
I have brain freeze because it's that good I'm eating so fast. The best, worst part is the manure smell as you eat the ice cream. It's definitely all part of the experience.
Chillin', get his ass scratched.
That is awesome.
My dude over
I
here
want
is-
some of that. Udders, look at its udders. Oh my gosh, that thing is a beast.
Fun fact for you, my mom's favorite animal is a cow. She wishes she had a pet cow. This would be her dream.
This machine right here that's bringing the carton up is actually filling it with milk. And then this one is sealing the carton. Woo! Have fun!
So we just got to the Kinabalu Park and Edward showed us this tablet back here with the 18 names on it that died during the earthquake in 2015. It's sad, there's a lot of like 12-year-olds and stuff, so you never know when stuff like that can happen.
Congratulations! Good job!
Good job. Woo woo.
I want everyone lined up cheering for me.
Cheering for you.
I can't imagine. Yeah. Welcome back. Yeah,
Welcome
that's
back.
what I'm expecting.
These are all people
I'm
that
gonna
just
hold
got
the
done
sign.
climbing Mount Kinabalu and Anna's cheering them on. This is the starting point, so they're all just coming back.
Deal.
It is a big deal.
Here's my new plan. I decided I would regret leaving Southeast Asia without climbing the mountain. So my new plan is climb the mountain. So
And I like the plan.
you like it? You approve?
I approve.
Good.
That's
We gotta
it.
start saving up.
Next stop, Edward is taking us to get some wild boar out here. Never tried it, but I know some of you guys in the comments have asked us to try it.
Oh, we got some wild boar right here.
We have just arrived at the wild boar place on the side of the road right here.
That looks really good. Edward, you been here before?
Yeah, I've been here.
What's your name?
Masli.
Masli? Nice to meet you. So this is the boar?
Yes.
Okay, this place is located right alongside the road on your way to Mount Kinabalu Park, and it's called 16 Cafe. The geotag will be down in this description below.
Look at this.
Bang, kasih ajar dia apa? Apa dipanggil? Kalau dia apa?
What are these things called again? Lemon.
Limau.
Limau.
This dish is called sinalau bakas.
Oh, Sinilau Bacchus.
Ian's been talking about this all day.
I'm
He's
excited.
So excited.
We're about to try some Sinalau Bacchus. All right, first bite.
One.
Wow, that's good.
That's the best thing I've ever had.
That's the best
That's
thing
the
she's
best
ever
thing
had.
I've ever had in my life. Hang on, guys.
Seriously, thank you. Tuhao. It tastes exactly like the squid sauce that we get in Thailand, back in Salaya.
This is the best meat we've had, I think,
Ever.
in Southeast Asia. Let alone, I don't even know. I can't think back that far, but this is the best meat we've had in so long. I didn't realize we were gonna like it this much.
The amount that we've eaten today, there's no going back, so we might as well get another one, right?
We're already done.
The total price of all that meat, that was a ton of meat that fed 4 people, and I think it's very comfortable. How much we ate? It was 22 ringgit. Wow. This has to be the best wild boar place in the world.
You guys all better come here.
What is this?
Tuhao.
Tuhao?
Yeah, tuhao.
Oh, it's a sauce?
Yeah.
My gosh. That's this sauce right here.
Oh, smell it.
Same kan?
Smells just like it.
Oh my gosh. That's my
So
favorite sauce
cool.
ever.
All right, round 2's coming.
Round 2. Here
Hey,
we
let's
go.
watch it be.
Dun dun dun.
Oh.
Thank you.
Look
My
at those
God.
ribs.
Wow.
Hallelujah.
Number 2, we just finished. We are full but happy. If you don't, I swear to God, I swear that you should come here. Please. If you're in the Sabah area, KK area, it's worth the drive. We will put the link in the description below, like Anna said. Just click on it. It's a Google Maps directions to here. This is undiscovered, and thank you to Edward for taking us here.
And Siang.
And thank you to these wonderful cooks behind us. They are the best.
All right, final words come from my inner Gordon Ramsay. That was bloody delicious. Now we are going to head back to our Airbnb before we have yet another dinner, another food to eat. But I guess, as Edward and Siang taught us, that's what you do in Malaysia.
All right, that was a great way to end the night. That was such a fun day at Kinabalu Park. Best boar ever. Edward is the best. Siang is the best. They have helped us tremendously. It was such a great day.
Thank you guys for everything you guys did. Seriously, we'll give you guys a hug. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you. Come back.
Sure.
See you, Sion. Yeah, it was nice meeting you.
We are loving Malaysia so much. Everyone has been so nice, and it's been great meeting people through YouTube. Can't say yes to everyone. We'd love to meet all of you, but that was a great first time. Now we're headed to another new adventure. Someone contacted us through Instagram and wanted us to come try out their restaurant here in Kota Kinabalu. The next video is going to be about that. Anna, anything you want to say before we let them go?
We did a meetup, like in KK, maybe one in Sarawak, maybe one in KL. How many of you would want to come so that you could meet us and we could meet you?
That would be
Comment
fun.
below.
Comment down below. Thanks for watching. Like this video, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one. Yip, whoop, yip, yip, whoop.